Okay, nice meeting you. Bright Lights. So what's the name?
Bashwa.
Well, I'm actually discussing about a court marriage. So I decided to check as in to come to last week today to just ask student the law student, let's just talk about this topic. So what's if I go to ask you what level are you?
300 level.
200 level.
300.
3.
Yeah.
Okay. Aspiring barrister.
Yeah.
Okay. Will you like to do a court marriage when you want to settle down?
Yeah,
You're not married yet?
I'm not married yet.
Yeah, okay. Will you like to do a court marriage when you settle down?
Yeah, very well.
Wow. So, why will you want to do a court marriage?
I mean, we all know that marriage is like the legal union between a man and a woman to become husband and wife. Like, that's the general feeling. So, doing a court marriage, it's more like it's some sort of binding authority with the man and the woman to know that they are in a contract. Yeah, let me just put it that way. So there are going to be some like exclusivities for both parties to know what they are bound by and their boundaries in the marriage clearly, just to avoid stories that touches like that of a footballer, his wife breaking out of a marriage, then the court is asking them to pay some sort of. So I just feel like, and as a lawyer, I think I'm born to do a court marriage.
Okay. In the other way, as in you don't think of the what you stand to lose, maybe because like some guys don't want to go into court marriage due to what's as an art. Maybe if divorce happens, the guys is as in always the other way around, as the ladies getting almost the whole property. You don't think of that.
I just
aspect.
feel like marriage is a consensual thing, and if you know like you're not gonna last in the marriage, because you're not just rushing into a marriage. You guys must have understood yourself to some certain extent to avoid like divorce happening or some certain marriage exigencies. So I just feel like things might come up, things might happen, but it just depends on the court's discretion, because it's not in every situation where the woman gets like the good side or the larger share of the property.
Okay.
If something comes up, the man can also be entitled to, like, the man can even win the case in some instances. I have seen a case where a man even got like ultimum child access from his wife.
Okay. Talking about that, I'm just concerned about as in in Nigeria sector, like the rate as in terms of divorce, what the man goes home with, is it like 70-30 or 50-50? Do you have idea?
I just feel like we all know that there's this ideology of women are the weaker or whatever.
Yeah.
So
that's why some guys are scared of going to.
I'm actually going to still place it on the fact that it depends on the court's discretion and the circumstances surrounding the situation between
the divorce
and the woman. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. I really want to get your own opinion. So, you just for your own housing, you said having a court marriage is proper.
Yes.
And I just had an interview with your colleague, and he said divorce as a court marriage for him is no go area, and even advised the youth not to try it. So, and you're saying so. Right now, everybody has their own opinion. So that's I just wanted. So, good. Do you have anything you want to say for the youth? Do you want to advise them maybe to go into a court marriage? Do you have anything you want to say for the viewers?
I'm not advising anybody.
Okay, it's your thing. If you want
a personal decision, and it's my take, it's my opinion. So I feel everyone is entitled to what they believe is good for them.
All right. Thanks for having me around.
All right.
Thank you. Bye.